Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Careface Video Productions.
But
Brought to you.
for those, the young people out there that don't know that famous song, because I want to practice it, because the same way you can reach dolphins with it, maybe I can reach a man with that song. So I want to practice it. So maybe just give us a little something and give us that sound, that traditional sound, that unique sound that you
Well,
hear.
for all the people them that listening, this is original Major Mackerel, and this is my word to you, before me DJ, me I've got a couple more things me that like to express if I can get the chance. It won't be more than a minute and a half, probably two the most. The first thing, remember this, the greatest revenge in life is success.
Yes.
Both radio personality, may I ask you to repeat that for me. The greatest revenge in life is success.
Success, yes.
I grew up on that from my parents. Basically, we used to say the basic is to succeed, but same thing.
Alright.
Yes.
Here are the next thing. Just love the world, no hate nobody.
Yes.
Alright, now there's space in our head for hate.
Yes.
That little space already hate, the little love can go there, so,
Yes.
You forgive, but do not forget.
Yes.
Don't make the same mistake twice. Love yourself before you love anyone else in the world.
Yes.
Yes, I.
And the greatest thing, the man them, where bury the woman them, I have children them with them. Because I come from a broken home and it wasn't nice. Even if you have left the woman, you beg on take care of the children then. Don't let the children then.
That's a good one.
Just take care of the children then.
Yes.
Yeah.
I grew up on these. I grew up on these.
See, and the lady, me beg on mama,
Yes.
don't use the children as a weapon against them father, yeah?
Yes.
Just make the children them get both love from you, mommy, and love from daddy.
Very good.
See?
Very good.
That was all I have to say.
Thank
Well,
you.
this is me. I don't know that shit, man. I've been look at the chin, man. I've been talking with the go to about and a joke, man. I make man. I look at the neck, man. I look how you look, man. Look at the put hey. The yada, the me did that walk over. I'm a big fat girl named y'all where your lips is a silly over. Who are your lips? Just a silly over. So you go check out her. With the palm in my was me look down so me see the fat. Go down so one day me have a one. Take the cooking of it. Start mixing through the oh ya the baba one. Miss getty yalla you go on your man. This one, mash up your plan. I don't know, fool. Oh, no, go mentally mad. No, you know, all for them, but they eat the cold. Fool. Oh, no, I'm mentally mad. Young young cold sick me, oh, the coa. Maybe, dirty bone. Fire to dirty bone. Dirty bone. For them, a dirty bone. You know, mother, run down, man, run on, man. Man, I can't tension. Remember, rush it down, man, touch it, champion. Rush it down, man, touch it. Me, Mackerel, Titan, come in a dance, run this session. Copy my session after run. Boy, big man, big man. Remember, Baba, it looks done and then I'll get none. But you look me up, but
Yes, bad.
yeah, understand me? Help some people. Do some things to some people where need it, where want it, where really want it. Not those who want it because you have it to give them.
Yes.
But those that are really in position that them. And the only way we can help anybody is through music.
Most
You
definitely.
know, and a whole heap of the youth them want to see come on dancehall Thursdays. Enough of them they are foreign, you know. Some of them they are Europe, some of them.
Yes.
You know, and we feel good to do that. We feel great. And we feel good to know so that you is a mother, and you know, when you was a young girl, you used to listen to me.
Major.
Yes.
And now your children them are listening to me.
Yes.
That is more than a honor. That is more than, you know. So we give thanks to all of the good things. And earlier on, I think you mentioned something about Mackerel.
Yes.
Well, you never tell me the truth about me and Mackerel, you know. Mackerel was my girlfriend, you know. Yeah, she was my girlfriend at one time, you know. And she turned Lady Mackerel, and
Lady Mackerel, yes.
Me left Jamaica, me come America, and she became Mackerel Diamond. And I love her works, I love her achievement,
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I love her success, and I love how she moved forward with herself, and you know.
Yeah, man. She passed through the station, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Somebody, you know,
She's
and
bad.
them a woman. The
Yes.
whole of them in a them little mix up and them woman something. And because when you see we have one on the internet.
Definitely.
You know, still, you know, Mac a great girl, you know, and me, God bless her. And I hope the engine of her generosity never get rusty, and her music basket never run empty, you know.
Yes. I'm gonna play a song in a minute, but before that, you know I'm a woman, so as you're talking, you know I'm drawn out hearing little things. You said something about two things. Growing up, you have mostly sisters, correct?
Yeah, me have more sisters. Me have 6 sisters.
Okay.
And 4 brothers.
Okay. And the other thing, you said something about your birth. So you were born in December?
Yeah, man, Christmas Day,
Christmas.
1960.
That's
Christmas Day, the 25th of December.
25th December. That's why you mentioned that. I was wondering because I heard you say something about when you're born. And what's interesting, I don't know if you know that, but do you know our mutual friend, Ghetto President, his birthday is the same day too? And maybe that's why, even though you guys are generation apart, that's why you guys get along. George P, Ghetto President. Ghetto President.
George P.
Birthday is the same day, yes.
I never know. Let me know if you go give him one special. Me get him here, me all in for come perform on dancehall Thursday the other night, and he did well.
Yes, man, definitely. We saw it, you know.
Yeah, man, he did well, man. He did well, you know. He did well, you know.
Yes, and we're gonna play.
You know, and those are the things that keep me going.
Of course.
It's like how me, you know, them things that just motivate me to just go and do what me I do and try to do some new record now as a big man.
Yes.
Because this record that you're going to play, I want the people that know say he's a man this way, a DJ from 1978, a DJ this way, right now in this time.
Yes.
They're gonna play for them here, They're gonna play for them here, you know. See?
Yeah, man.
And it's entitled number 1. You want to tell them why you choose that name?
Because number 1, you know, Major Mackerel number 1. I can ask you a question?
Yes.
He's a radio disc jockey, right?
Yes.
Who is the greatest radio disc jockey?
It is I, number 1.
Alright, number 1. Not put nobody before me. Not put nobody above me. You understand?
Baras, right, number 1. And you know what, Bridget?
Number 1.
And Delay, I'm number 1 on the Look Good chart.
you're beautiful, man. Yeah, man, you know a whole heap of credit card you done, man.
We have the great Major Mackerel on the line. This is number one. Whoa!
You must spit, man.
You're the artist of spit, man. Whoa! 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 Artist, you think timeless.
One number. Now the major support them the girl suit. Don't come and focus on the and boot. Straight moves I will miss them shoot. So I never find them up to salute. We better run from the other so them see show respect for every mute. We give the hand of the child and flute. I'm now racing car with the gang. Number. One number. Whoa, one number. Whoa, one number. Major Mackerel number. One number. Mackerel number. One number. Original style this is up on the beat. Don't bother with me, I sit on my seat. Until we over them can treat now just like something to the right now. Now come over here, come here, so stay. Come over the music, come in that play. February, March, April, January, anyone of them try to come down here, they're
Major, the thing, you say a man from 19 how long I sing this here now?
Yes.
Yeah, man. I may have more new song I come to, you know.
More
Yes,
people.
yes.
Yes.
No, you know what happened now in my life?
Mm-hmm.
You look at you, then you look at young DJ, them see how me I live and me I do and me I do and you know, I around the island me go and do it and you show Major Mackerel the one bag of young artists there.
Yes.
Because them know if 4 of them come, probably 3 out of the 4 can work.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You understand me? You look at you, them say Major Mackerel, come sit down with me, man. Because you're a big man and we see say you love.
And respect him.
I mean, some little youth are like this, the next any other Major Mackerel new on a year. I mean, some 13, 14, 21, 22-year-old youth sit down and I make song right now.
Yes, love that vibe, sir.
And that's how it should be. That's how it should be. Because some people are saying,
In other words, me I want nice, old young boy
Yes.
right now.
Yes, man.
Old young man.
You're still young in my eyes, Major. But let me tell you something. One thing about the music, right? When you think of, like they're always saying reggae music's gonna die, this, that. When I look back at songs that we used to sing to, not knowing the words, because, Big Up Butcher, he was just here the other day. Songs from him, and then songs like Murder, She Wrote. When we were bawling out the words to Murder, She Wrote, we didn't know it was about abortion. And then there's your song, Diseases, in 2000. Yeah, 2000. We're talking about diseases, right? So, just to think that with reggae music, there's always a story to be told. And we used to bawl out certain songs, and we don't even know. Like, I did, songs like Give Me Panani. I was singing Give Me Panani, but I didn't know what I was singing as a teenager, So, it's, like I said,
The music, you want more with Jamaican music, slave music,
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? That's slave music. Because in Jamaica, you have a saying, if you ask any older Jamaican, like anybody in them 50s going up to the 60s or older, if them could have walk and whistle, whistle? Like, no, you couldn't do that.
No.
In Jamaica, why you couldn't do it? Because that was the way all the slaves send message to them one another, communicate.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So the slave master stopped the people and try and whistle.
Yes.
So the slave then come up with this broken English fatwa when them attack So at the slave thing, the music come from the heartbeat of the slave them, our ancestors that died before us.
Coded words.
And yeah, coded words, and it transition through the passage of time to Jamaica, go through different genres of music, with ska, with rock steady, with quadrille, with mento. See, then it go a rock steady, and then it go a reggae. Now them invent all different kind of music, dancehall, reggaeton, this, that, but the whole of it, the slave music, a transit, through the passage of generation to generation. This Jamaica music here, and I same one the American rapper, because the first rapper in America was a Jamaican.
Yes.
Alright? A DJ in a Jamaican, but because the language where them speak,
they had
have to pronounce
it
yes. That way. So it became rock music. It's Jamaican music, creative rock music. Jamaican music are the heartbeat and the soul of the people then.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
You see the problem with where we have. See, you see the love where we have for the music, we have that for one another, and we don't have that. You understand me? We do not have that. So that is a major problem. But this music here touch heart. It mend heart. It heal mind. It make people preserve, persevere. It make people live for another day, because it was real. A slave thing. Just listen Bob Marley. Listen Peter Touch and Bunny Wailer. See, it's a slave music. See, it was our way out of poverty. It was our way to break down the walls of oppression. Our way to slow down, because we can't stop the hand of the oppressors, but we slow them down a lot. You understand me? So this music here will come from Jamaica. I don't want the people them take say it's a regular music. It's not a regular music. It's not the party that a part of it too, you know, because that is another transition of the music. You see me as a general?
Yes.
You know, them young people are the people have to create the environment there, and you know, you have to live with welcome, because things and time change. You know, one time you write a letter, it takes 7 weeks to reach Canada. Now you send an email, it reach there. You write the same letter, send it in an email, it reach in 1 second.
True,
so things and time change.
Yes.
And with the changes, you have to move along with it.
We have to adapt.
You can't make the new world left here in the old world. You have to move along.
Yes.
But the people, they must know our music. I know Adam and Eve and Noah music.
Yes.
I know chicken back and flour music. I know no PNP and shower music. It's just our music. So me as a general.
Yes,
this is very informative, very informative. Because like you said, for the children of today, like my son, he still can't understand how you're getting music. How did we get music out of this vinyl thing, this plastic thing? It doesn't make sense to them, what we call a record, you know?
Yeah. Well, right now in our life, you know, mommy, seeing the things them with them no know, nothing now hide from the children then. Yeah, everything up on YouTube. So if I was you, I would have tell him, say, here are my son. You know, we look on YouTube and punch up and say, oh, they make record.
Yes.
Why they make record? You know? Because each one a teach one, you know, but it's not everything you can tell them, say, this is the way. Sometimes you have to make them know, say, the son go look Google that and
Yes.
question that.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
Because it's strange to them.
Yes,
Of
man.
course, of course. Well,
It's strange to them.
one thing I have to
But
say.
hold on, the history of it is there, you know?
Yes. Yeah.
The history of it is there, so.
But it's good to hear it from you because, as you know, with anything else, just like the Bible, depends on how people interpret it. Just like any other book out there, people interpret things different, and it's good to hear it directly from you because you were there, right? So we're honored to
record, the purpose of record, the purpose of record was really family gathering.
Yeah.
And that's how it started from, you know?
To bring people
like
together.
some bring people together.
Yes. But
Alright, and they created a technology that they use a material which is plastic, and they add electrified sound to the plastic.
yeah,
So, it was a great invention.
most definitely. And I think some people, the people that love vinyl, they don't miss carrying all that weight as DJs. Real DJs know about carrying all them things. They don't mind doing it. But one thing I want to say is, I'm glad you're a bounce back. I remember a quote you said in 2020, you lost weight, but you never lost faith. And we're glad you didn't because we wouldn't want to lose, the legendary music that you've put out. Yes.
Nah, man, I not lose no faith, man. You see an interview like this, just make me go. You see all tomorrow, when we wake up, me happy like holiday.
Well, before we go,
So, hold on there, man. When we finish telling me, I said, we just have a happy soul.
I know.
I mean, I try to be happier,
Yes.
Definitely.
And days like this, in time like this,
Make you feel happy.
doing things like this, really make me happy.
And
You understand me?
and you made me happy because taking the time to talk with me. But
Major, it's a joy. It's a
Yeah.
joy and a pleasure speaking to me. I tell you, General, I can't do this all night, But in the interest of time, I tell you, the world really appreciate this little reason we have.
Yes.
And I tell you, we love it just like how you love it.
Yes.
I love it. I never remember it's a morning.
I know a channel down there, right?
Yes, I.
I'm looking forward to seeing you.
20
Rich. 20
At
years.
20 odd years now, me not come to Canada, almost 30 years, So me like to come through that place there, come see what it look like again,
I'm gonna break the seal, man. Break the seal.
Yeah, man. You hear me? You see, if you do that, me have one sister, she is 68 years old and she's still a virgin. Me have to make you be my brother-in-law.
But hold on, Mackerel. I gotta go, but I'm your friend and you're matchmaking Ross. What about me? I'm the one similar with husband. Anyways.
I'm fine with that, Major. Hey, Major is a giant and honor speaking, I'm a general. Walk good and be good.
Yeah, man.
We meet again.
Thank you for the time.
Yes, thank
Pick up
you.
on yourself and we'll meet again. Money bless yourself and love your
Much
children.
love.
Them love them unconditionally. Don't stop loving your children. Because of daddy maybe, but they are always mommy's babies.
Yes.
Loving the people.
Love you.
Play about me. Give me back number one.
We got a run from the last one, and see your respect to every youth. We give you the honor to tell the truth, I'm not listening, communication. One number, Macodana number, one number, Major Maca number, one number, Macodana number, one number. Original style, this is a counterfeit. Don't buy the rhythm, you still don't see. Until we over the country, now just like chop it to the right naughty. Now come over here, come in the state, come over the music, come in that play. February, March, April, me, and one of them try to tell me, and they're not can man can't touch it down.
Brought to you by Careface CBP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CBP.